Hey, good morning to you and welcome to another edition of Clincheck Theater Thursday. This is a very special Clincheck Theater Thursday. I am your host, Dr. David Galler. Please stay till the end of the Clincheck Theater Thursday for a special announcement and award for all those loyal listeners out there, the 200-300 who listen every week. This is a Galler engine case that comes back with 45 aligners. 45 aligners means something is wrong, something glitched. Galler engine cases most of the time should be under 20 aligners. If there is a very severe movement, maybe it goes up to 30 aligners, but 45 aligners, something is wrong. And the way that we figure out what glitched is we go up to tables, we hit tooth movement table, and then we look at all the teeth in the arch. And what we're looking for is somebody who is above. We're looking for the tooth, that movement that has the underline on it. And you can see right here, 33.3 degrees of buccal inclination for the upper left canine. 33. Look at how much 33 degrees. Are you out of your mind? That is not even possible, 33 degrees. Let's take a look at the canine, sees what it does. It's tilted to the lingual and it starts to tilt to the buccal. And more and more and more. And holy sweet Jesus, what happened here? It glitched. It glitched. Anytime you see a 33-degree movement like that, something glitched. The reason why it went 45 aligners is because something glitched. How do I figure out what glitched? Go to the tooth movement table and figure out what the dominant movement is in the entire mouth. It's the one that has the line under it. Thanks very much. This has been a Clincheck Theater Thursday. Now stay tuned for a message from Dr. David Galler. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. David Galler, the voice behind the Clincheck Theater Thursdays. I work very hard on these Clincheck videos to help doctors across the nation create better Clinchecks for better patient outcomes. And I gotta be honest, I spend hours and hours and hours creating them. And although we send it out to about 2,500 people, usually every week there's only about 150 to 200 doctors who listen to the videos and watch them on YouTube. I'm talking to you, the person who's watching it right now faithfully. So I decided I wanted to give a special recognition award to anybody who's watching these videos and trying to improve their patient's outcome. If you're watching this video, email me drgaller@hotmail.com after this lecture, and you will get a buy one, get one free staff member for the American Academy of Clear Aligner Convention coming up on July 12th, meaning just pay for one staff member to come in and I will comp you another staff member. That's about a $3,000 value. Just email me drgaller@hotmail.com. Say I saw your Clincheck video, and this would be for any new registrations. So please come to the convention, send your staff. Just email me drgaller@hotmail.com as a thank you for listening to the Clincheck Theater Thursdays that we work so hard together with Stephen Denny and Nathan Geel and all of us at the Academy work to produce. I want to reward you. You will get one free staff registration for anybody who emails me. Buy one staff, get one staff free. Thanks very much and have a wonderful summer season.